Starting an online business for free. Earn PayPal money, earn other kinds of money, whatever you want to do. Today, we're going to take a look at one website where you can start this for 100% free. It's a huge platform. There's a huge amount of people in there that help you out. You get a free membership, free websites, free training. In today's video, I'm going to show you a bunch of that. I'm also going to show you some successful members inside and their success stories. I'm also going to go over the benefits of this method. So let's just dive right into it. All right, let's go. All right, folks. So the website I'm going to talk about today is called Wealthy Affiliate. You may have heard of it. You may not have heard of it. I'm going to show you some successful members inside. It's the top link in the video description below. You can sign up and get a free account. You don't need a credit card or anything to sign up like that. You just sign up, get a free account, and I'm going to show you a bunch of the free stuff that you get. But just really quick, you get 2 free websites, free training, affiliate program search, research tools, all kind of other really cool stuff, and all these members inside that are very helpful and inspiring to help you grow your business as well. For example, here, Eddie here, how I earned close to $10,000 thanks to WA members, 9-year anniversary and a $30,000 sale, $452 for one platform one day. You can do this too. I made $632 this month, goal completed. Just sold 2 websites for $9,000, $100,000 a week. Hard work pays off huge. My first $100 month on the WA payday. And there's many more of these. You can go to the dashboard here within the site. Like I said, there's so many people here, and a lot of them will help you out as well, including myself, by the way. When you use my link, you can send me messages and stuff like that. Okay, so what exactly is this website, folks? It's called Wealthy Affiliate again. And basically, they train you on affiliate marketing. And it's a platform designed for all affiliate marketers of all levels. Whether you're just getting started, have some experience, or you're an ultra successful affiliate marketer already, it is made for you. Now, if you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, don't worry. They're going to teach you everything you need to know from the ground up. If you're already experienced, you already have an edge, then it's even a good platform for you as well. Basically, transform your ideas into profits, build beautiful websites, profit-ready websites, no design skills needed, proven strategies to attract loads of traffic to your websites. Your revenue sources are unlimited. There's thousands and thousands of products that you can promote with affiliate marketing. And Wealthy Affiliate powers affiliate marketers worldwide. And they have 14 years in business, 193 countries, 1.5 million members. Just a bunch of stuff here. Expert coaches, there's 1,800 expert coaches. Like I said, there's a lot of people here to help you out. There's real feedback from real people here as well. You can check this out. The features you need to succeed, fully customizable stuff and websites and stuff like that. Endless opportunities, zero risk. Like I said, no credit card or anything to sign up. You just sign up, you get a free account. So once you sign up, just add a photo, and then you can just add a little bio about yourself. It could be one sentence. It doesn't have to be too much at all. It just helps people make sure that you're real and everything, real people and stuff like that. And they like to help you out and stuff like that. So also, when you use my link, I'm going to contact you right away. And you also have a way to contact me. This is my profile, so there's no contact thing on here because it's me. But you can contact me as well, and I'm going to help you out every step of the way. And so is Cal. He's one of the co-founders here. And Carson, they're 2 of the co-founders. They help out as well. And there's a bunch of other people that help out. So like I said, you get 2 free websites. The training here helps you build those websites. Now, you either have an online certification certificate here, Getting Started Level 1, and you also have Affiliate Bootcamp Lesson 1, Phase 1 course. And basically, those are 10 lessons each. So the online entrepreneur certification, Getting Started Level 1, you get all these courses right here. This 10-level course will get you part of the Wealthy Affiliate Online certification. It will walk you through the steps of creating a successful online business that generates revenue. This Getting Started course level 1 is your first step to realizing your potential as an online business owner. So you get started understanding how to make money online, choosing a niche, building your own niche website, setting up your website, getting your site ready for search engines, creating your initial website content, creating custom menus on your site, understanding keywords, and congratulations on your next step. So as I was saying before, this is all about affiliate marketing. Quick chart here if you don't know what affiliate marketing works. It's pretty simple actually. So basically, you're going to attract people to your websites with free traffic, with the techniques they show you on here by using keywords to get on the first page of Google, and then people come to your website, they look at your website, it's something they're interested in already, and you're promoting products around that niche, and they are buying those products, and then you get a commission. Now that's just a very simple way of explaining it real quick. It's a little more complicated, but they teach you everything how to do that, and it's really not that hard once you start learning everything. This is a really cool feature, because if you're looking for products to promote, there's pretty much endless stuff here, and there's popular categories, clothing, accessories, department stores. They have high commission ones here, $2,000 commission on this one. Now the thing is, you're gonna want to pick products around your niche. You just don't want to pick random products. You want to have, whatever your interest is, whatever your website's about, and you can do a type up here, categories for that. So it's really cool. Let's just go into health and fitness real quick. I'm gonna show you some more stuff here. There's also a filter up here for different countries, your payment options, auto approval for the affiliate program. So say you only want to be paid in PayPal in these certain countries, you could just apply that filter. You want to add just, higher commissions, auto approval, yes. Apply that filter. And there we go. Here's a $100 commission for this ClickBank product, health and fitness programs. So pretty cool. Let's just view the program here. And this is more of the details of it. You could view the websites. You can join the affiliate program. This is through ClickBank. So if you're a ClickBank member already, you could just sign up right up for ClickBank. This will take you there. So this is a really cool way to find products to promote as well. All right, so that was just a brief video on Wealthy Affiliate. There's a lot more. I don't want to make this video too long, so just go check it out for yourself. You don't need a credit card again. You just sign up, you get a free account, make your profile, and start checking it out for yourself. That's really the best way to dive into it. Please take action on it though, folks. This is not a get-rich scheme or anything like that. It actually does involve work. This is not some survey site where you make, micro payments. It's going to take time to build up an online business, but it's from the ground up, and once you get going, it's can be a very lucrative business for you. Anyways, that is all for now. I will talk to you soon. Please subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.